Hi guys, so now we will look at how to put our variables in the statement of purpose. Remember that your statement of purpose, or what we call the purpose of the study, is different from your research problem. Your research problem is 2 or 3 paragraphs or more that describes the issue that you want to study. The purpose, on the other hand, is one sentence that summarizes the variables you will study along with your sample. The purpose of the study has a very basic breakdown. It usually starts with the words, "This research aims to," followed by an action word, such as investigate, explore, determine, or there are many others. And it includes the factors, traits, or conditions you are studying. It then also includes a verb that tells us the relationship between these factors, traits, or items you are studying, and then ends with the specific group you are studying, that is your sample. And because it is a statement that is declarative, it ends with a full stop. These factors you are studying are your variables, your independent and dependent variable. Now, very important to remember that your independent and dependent variable can never be the people you are studying, because the people you are studying are called your sample. Here we have examples of statements of purpose, that is the purpose of the study, broken down. So remember I said it starts with "this research aims to." Here we're going to say that's a given. It is followed by an action verb, such as to determine, and the items, factors, traits, or conditions you are studying, that is your variables, and a verb that tells us the relationship between those conditions. So if we break down a statement, we have to determine, that's the action verb, stress level, that's the factor 1, effects, that's the verb that tells us the relationship between two conditions, on academic coping strategies, that's the factor being affected, of research method students in 4 research classes at the University of Belize, that is the group being studied. Let's look at it with the items, independent and dependent variable highlighted. Here we have the independent variable and the dependent variable highlighted. To determine how stress, that's the independent variable, is affecting academic coping strategies. So that's our dependent variable. And then down here we have our sample and full stop, just to state that it is a declarative statement. And that is the basic breakdown of how to write a statement of purpose.